Hey Pat, this is Jackie Outwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly earlier this evening while you were in an attic, I believe. Sorry about that. But basically this is the little 5-minute custom video I promised to send over. What I'm going to do in this video is kind of break down the kind of daunting task of internet marketing and how you get your website to bring you in more online traffic, aka generate more revenue and more profit for you. So the first thing I'm going to do is Google heating HVAC companies within Fresno, Texas, and one of the top ones that came up was Clear the Air. So throughout the duration of this video, I am going to compare yours to Clear the Air, which I actually wasn't able to find a website for you. So if you don't have one, I'm more than happy to help you with that. And if you do, go ahead and shoot it over so I could shoot you some of these tips. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Content is any verbiage that is on the home page, so any of the wording, etc. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste all of this content. Whoops. And I am going to put it in our word counter. Comes up with about 2,000 words. It's actually great because Google actually recommends about 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage of your website. Reason being that this all provides opportunities for you to slip in keywords, which we'll get into in just a second, but keywords that are going to bring your website up in Google. Keywords are essentially the phrases that people Google to find your websites. So the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this website and I'm going to place it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online auditing tool. So right off the bat, you can see with them paying for 0 ads, they're bringing in 2.6K a month just off of their website alone. That's without them using ads at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and look at these keywords. So again, all of these are put into all of that content that was on there. So all of these are words that they have on their homepage of their website. So first things first, AC Repairs Pasadena, Texas, AC Repair Friendswood, Texas, AC Repair Pearland, Texas. So these are all buyer intent keywords. What that means is that people within these areas are actually Googling this to find a service provider for this. Things like commercial HVAC maintenance, that's a nationwide keyword. What this means is that someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and possibly bring up this website. Is that the kind of traffic we want to generate to your website? Not necessarily, unless you plan on like hopping on a plane and going and servicing someone in Oregon for the evening. So we want to stick to those ones with the locations attached, AC Repair Laporte, etc. And they do a pretty good job of that, obviously. So that leads us into our last topic that I'm going to cover for you, which is backlinks. So backlinks are, let's see. It's basically anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So throughout the entire internet, this website is placed somewhere 1.66K times. So what you do to start competing with this website is you go and add yourself to all of the sites that they are on. That just puts you on an even playing field. And then you keep doing that month after month after month, and that's how you begin climbing the ranks in Google. Anyways, Pat, that being said, I hope that you enjoyed these tips. As mentioned, I noticed you don't have a website, so if that's something you're interested in the future, or if you'd like me to just, help better explain these tips to you so you can do it on your own, I'm more than willing to do that as well. Feel free to reach out to me. All my contact info is placed in the email. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.